Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sagar Prajapati, and in this video, I'm going to announce that I have launched a new course that is Master in Data Analysis and Visualization with Microsoft Power BI. Okay, so if you're someone who is beginner and who does not know how to visualize the data, what is data analysis, what is Microsoft Power BI, then this course is for you. So this is a complete end-to-end course where you will be learning about the basic of Microsoft Power BI as well as the advanced level of the Microsoft Power BI. Let's say how to deploy the reports, what is dashboard, how to deploy the dashboard, how to make a complex charts, how to make a complex data model, right? So look, you do not need to go here and there, just focus on one single course, and you then at the end of the course you will be learning or you will be able to make or publish the reports. Okay, now this is the you can see my screen, right? And this is the about the course description and key highlights and what you will be learning, like data analysis techniques, visualization data with Power BI, and advanced dashboard creation. This course is made by me and Indeep Singh. So you guys know about me, but you do not maybe know about Indeep Singh. So Indeep Singh having a 9 years of experience in data analysis and data engineering. So he's very champion in Microsoft Power BI. So I thought to give give his, so I thought that he should create a he should also create a videos or contribute in this course. Okay, so this is the course curriculum. You can see that we are having around 8 modules for now. Like just for now we are having 8 modules. I'm not saying like we are just having 8 modules. Okay, and there's 33 sessions and more than 3 hours of content is already uploaded. So the first video is the course intro. So if you want to understand the the course curriculum, then you can watch this video. This is a free video, you do not need to enroll in this course, right? So if you like the course intro, or also if you want to understand like introduction to Microsoft Power BI, so this first chapter also we have given you as a free. Okay, so you can go and check out this first chapter. If you like, then you can enroll in this course. Okay, now you can see like we have this mic, what is Power BI, who uses Power BI, like from very basic, we have covered everything, right? And then importing data in Power BI, how to import data. So you can see like data connector in Power BI, importing data with from Microsoft Excel, then from MS SQL Server, data connectivity mode, authentication in Power BI. Like we are going to cover every single thing, right? You can see over here data transformation cleaning using Power Query Editor. Then we have building visualization in Power BI, then reports and dashboard, then building a data model with using DAX, and then advanced feature in Power BI like CI/CD in Power BI, Q&A, collaborating with teams in Power BI. Like we have many things, right? So I would suggest, if you are a beginner and if you do not know Microsoft Power BI, then this course is for you. Do not skip this video, or do not skip this course. If you just follow what we are teaching to you, then you will be master in Microsoft Power BI. So you might be thinking, hey Saga, why you are focusing on this course? See, if you are data engineer and if you are giving an interview, right, then you can ideally say to the interviewer that, hey, hi, I am a full stack data engineer, right? Like I know how to analysis, I know how to make pipelines, I know what is data engineering, and I know also reporting, because the end goal of the data engineer or the data analysis is to represent the data or to visualize the data. So if you know all this stuff, right, then you can get around like 25-30 lakhs LPA. To be honest, you can easily get like 25-30 LPA with having 4 to 5 or 6 years of experience if you know all these technologies, right? So that's why I'm saying, like, if do not skip, and the fees is very nominal as compared to other platform. So choice is yours. If you are learning from my website, from my YouTube video, then please check out this course. So thank you, bye bye, we'll meet you in the next lecture.